Assalamu alaikum. Listeners, everyone of you are aware about it that today it's the World Schizophrenic Day, and the whole world is celebrating the Schizophrenic Day, and they are showing their best of their sympathies to the schizophrenic patients and all the psychiatrists and the American Psychiatric Association. They are trying hard to get this treatment of the schizophrenia. Uh, I would like to define the word schizophrenia. Schizo means splitting, and phrenia means of personality. So schizophrenia basically means that this is the splitting up of the mind, and this is getting the splitting up of the personality. Such people who are suffering from the schizophrenia, they are mm, having splitting up of their personality and the mind, and this whenever someone's personality is split up, they cannot perform any of the activity in their life. They cannot perform any of the perform they cannot do anything normal in their life. Rather, they need to look after by the other people, and they don't have the proper sensations. Even their senses are not working accurately, and whenever someone's senses are not working accurately, we cannot say that that person is known as the normal person. In the beginning they were called the insane, but now this term insane and the mad is ruled out. No one would like to use these terms for mentally sick people, and this is from the category of psycho psychosis are basically known as the serious form of the psychological disorders. And as people do have the physical illness, and like cancer is considered to be the physical very serious and the dangerous physical disorder, in the same way the schizophrenia is also being considered a serious mental disorder, because it's so much serious form of the mental disorder that people are unable to perform anything normally. They cannot perform even a single activity normally in their life. So this is known as the schizophrenia, and they do have. Uh, this is basically, there is the disorganized thought, there is the disorganized behavior, there is disorganized attitude, there is disorganized speech, and the incoherent speech. While they are talking something, they cannot complete the whole sentence, and whatever they are conveying, they would be taking one idea from one thought and another idea from another thought. So there is totally a complete disturbance in their thought, in their talking, in their conversation, in their behavior, and they cannot even take care of themselves. There are some symptoms of the schizophrenics as well. And what would be the symptoms of the schizophrenic? We can simply say that it could be divided into two parts. One is the positive symptoms of the schizophrenic, and the other one is the negative symptoms of the schizophrenic. If we talk about the list of the whole schizophrenic symptoms, the top of it is known as the delusions and the hallucinations. And delusions are basically known as the false and fixed beliefs. And such people would be having false beliefs, and whatever they are believing, that is totally incorrect. And that is known as the false beliefs. Delusions could be visual, delusions could be auditory. The next symptom is known as the hallucinations, and the hallucinations are basically known as the faulty perception. They cannot perceive anything accurately. And there are further two types of the hallucinations. And what are the hallucinations? It is they, whenever their senses are not working accurately, it means that they cannot see anything properly. For example, the vision is also being controlled by the brain, and if their brain is not working accurately, then they cannot perceive anything. They may say that there is a big line in front of them, there is a big snake in front of them, but actually such stimuli are not persisting, they are not existing in front of them. Rather, this is only their faulty perception. And the hallucinations could be visual and auditory as well. So the third type of it is the third symptom is like they would be having the flat effect. They lack pleasure, they cannot feel pleasure while there is a party. They are it doesn't make any difference for them, because they are not aware of the situation. They cannot perceive the environment, they cannot perceive the situation, they cannot perceive the other people, they cannot perceive the they cannot respond to the other people while someone is asking them any question. So there would be totally a disruption in their behavior, there would be the disruption in their thoughts, there would be the disruption in their attitude, and there would be the disruption of everything whatever they are doing. And there are a number of the other